2024 is the year we are leaving canned biscuits behind and making our own. Because I don't know if I'm just not a kid anymore, but all of those canned biscuits and cinnamon rolls, all of that stuff, I feel like has gotten a lot worse over the years, and homemade is not only a million times better, it's also super, super simple. And 2024 is also the year where we demystify baking, because I promise a lot of your favorite treats are actually much easier than you think they are. And these honey butter biscuits are the perfect example. I'll put the full recipe in the caption, but all you really need to do is cube up some butter and smash it into your flour mix before adding some sour cream, because who has buttermilk on hand, and some honey. And yes, we cube and smash our butter here. We do not grate it, because that in combination with the letter folds here are really what's going to make your dough nice and flaky and layered. And as I said, this is super simple, so no biscuit cutters here. We're just cutting them into rough rectangles before glazing them with some honey butter, finishing with salt and pepper, and popping them in the oven. I, of course, glaze them with a little more honey butter once they come out of the oven, and they are perfectly layered, flaky, and buttery, and 10 times better than what you'd get from the store.